First found out about the apprenticeship I'm on through the government website, then applied and got the interview here at Mac College. The interview on the phone was good. They asked me about previous qualifications and what I'd studied. After 3 years of doing this apprenticeship, I've gained my level 3 in AAT. Currently studying level 4, hoping to be done by September. And then moving on from there, we're looking at university or a higher job role. Working in an office, you deal with all different kinds of scenarios every day, not just the stuff you learn in the textbook. You've got to deal with your people skills. I've learned a lot of problem solving. Communication's obviously improved a lot, speaking to suppliers and customers. I could have gotten an accountancy apprenticeship anywhere. I could have been stuck in an office sort of doing the same sort of thing every day. With Mac College, I've got lots of different stuff that pops up every day. The apprenticeships give me a good foundation, give me some good knowledge and some good qualifications, and I can't wait to spread my wings and see where it takes me in the future.